Welcome to Good Cooking Ideas channel. Please subscribe and share my video. Today I'm going to make Asian style salad, Misuna salad. Misuna is originally planted in Japan and it is impressive by its crunchy taste and good for mixed salad, stir fry, or making soup. We will also need 1 red bell pepper and 1 yellow, red cabbage, 1 cucumber, medium size, and some peanuts on the top. We will need vinegar. I tried apple cider vinegar, Chinese balsamic vinegar, or wood-aged balsamic vinegar. They all worked very well. I will use wood-aged balsamic vinegar for this salad. Then sesame paste, sesame oil, salt, and sugar. Let's get started. Get 1 yellow bell pepper, remove the seeds, cut it into stripes along 45 degrees angle forward. This cut will give the pepper a larger contact surface with dressing. Get a red bell pepper, cut it the same way. As the cucumber, I'd like to peel a few pieces of skin, but not all. This will also give out the better looking and a good contact with the dressing. Cut it. Now I have 3 red cabbage leaves. I like to remove the portion from the midline for a better taste. You can leave it if you like. Cut it to small pieces, the size just like this. Now I have about 200 grams of Misuna. Remove the roots. Then separate the white portion from the leaves. The leaves are tender and the stalks are crunchy. Now let's fry the peanuts. Pour the peanuts to cold oil with medium heat. Stir fry continuously. Pay attention to the color. It will just take a few minutes to be done. When the peanuts turn golden brown, take them out and use a kitchen towel to absorb the excess oil. While the peanuts cooling, let's make the dressing. Take 1 tablespoon of sesame paste, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well. Add cold water bit by bit. I totally add 2 tablespoons to it. It's really up to you if you want the dressing to be thin or thick. I think this is good enough. Let's get a big bowl. Pour in the dressing. Toss with a soft spatula. Drizzle the sesame oil about 2 tablespoons. Place the peanuts on the top, then we are done. Oh, wait a minute. I think I missed something. A little bit of roasted sesame seeds make this perfect finish. I put all the ingredients here for your reference. As you can see, all the ingredients match very well and all taste crunchy. This is one of my favorite salads with such fragrance and all healthy and colorful vegetable. Please give me a thumb up and leave me a comment down below. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.